How to fix GoMining app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix GoMining app not working. So let's get started. First step, you'll have to clear out the app's cache. To do that, open up your settings and you'll need to head over to iPhone storage. If you don't know how to get to iPhone storage, this is what you do. So from your settings opening page, go to general. Then after you're on general, go to iPhone storage. After you're here, you can simply search for the app right here. So search for mining. There we go. Now offload the app and then reinstall it. That should clear out its cache. After that, you can then come back here, check for your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that the connected Wi-Fi or the network is good and stable. If not, switch. So you can switch the app, or you can switch. You can simply switch the Wi-Fi. You can also change into mobile data, whatever it is, and after that, your problem should get fixed. If not, go to your app store, search for mining or Go Mining. Then there you should find the app. Check if there is an update available. If there is, tap on update, and your problem should be fixed. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.